Thank you, Ashley, for providing the reference photo of contract working dog Bruja, mine detection dog. Ashley had this to say about CWD Bruja. Bruja was a mine detection dog from Afghanistan. When she was brought to the kennel where I work, it was love at first sight. She stayed at the kennel for a few months before she was diagnosed with terminal lung cancer. I knew then that she needed to come home with me to know love and have freedom to just be. Bruja was my heart dog. We went everywhere together and was totally content just to be near me. She loved to steal tennis balls from Petco, help her dad with repairs, and go for car rides. I could go on and on about how amazing she was forever. She ended her work on May 28th of 2017. Thank you, Ashley, for adopting contract working dog Bruja, and Bruja, for your service.